In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double-space text in Microsoft Word. Double spacing is a simple formatting change that can make your document easier to read and annotate, and it's commonly required for academic papers and professional submissions. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and share a quick shortcut for applying it to an entire document in one go. Start by selecting the text you want to double space. You can click at the beginning of a section, hold your mouse button, and drag to the end, or click once inside a paragraph and press Shift with the arrow keys to expand your selection. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. If you only need certain paragraphs double-spaced, like a block quote or a reference list, just select those specific parts now. With your text selected, head to the Home tab at the top of Word. The Home tab is where most everyday formatting tools live, including font, alignment, and spacing options. Make sure the Home tab is active so you can access the spacing controls. Next, find the line and paragraph spacing button on the ribbon. The icon looks like up and down arrows next to a few horizontal lines. Clicking this button opens a drop-down menu with preset spacing options. This menu controls the vertical space between lines in your selected text, which affects readability and overall page length. From the drop-down, choose 2.0. This is the standard double spacing setting. As soon as you click 2.0, your selected text will immediately reflow, adding space between each line. This doesn't change your font size or margins. It simply increases the space between lines, making the page look more open and easier to scan. If the spacing doesn't change, double-check that your text is still selected and that you clicked the spacing button on the Home tab. Here's a helpful tip to save time. If you want to double-space the entire document, press Ctrl+A first to select everything, then choose 2.0 from the line and paragraph spacing menu. This applies the same formatting to your whole document at once, ensuring consistency from the first page to the last. That's all there is to it. Select your text, go to the Home tab, click the line and paragraph spacing button, and choose 2.0. Use Ctrl+A first if you want to apply it to everything. With these steps, your document will be properly formatted and ready for submission or review.